Atletico de Kolkata will be bolstered by the return of their mercurial forward Fikru Tefera and coach Antonio Lopez Habas, and the league leaders face FC Pune City in their next ISL clash today. The AIFF disciplinary committee reduced the ban on Habas on 2 matches for lack of evidence, so the Spaniard marquee manager will return to the turf today along with the Ethiopian forward, much to the home team's delight. In the absence of the duo, ATK dropped 4 possible points, 2 at home and 2 away, as Fikru's spirited raids and Habas' strategy from the sidelines were sorely missed. ATK were on the verge of a fine win in Chennai from Luis Garcia's spot kick as they led till the regulation 90 minutes, but an unnecessary tackle by Kingshuk Debnath inside the Chennai box robbed them 3 points. ATK also received a big jolt after the inspirational midfielder Hofre Matthew, who had put on an effective combination with Garcia, was sent off after being shown a second yellow, something that could have been avoided if the Spaniard was replaced following his first caution. With just 2 points clear of Chennai FC after having played an extra match, ATK's position atop the table is clearly under threat and they will be keen for 3 points at home.
না দেখো, আমরা তো একটা ক্যালকুলেশন করে এগোই, যেমন 3টে ম্যাচের পর এত পয়েন্ট বা 4টে ম্যাচের পর, কিন্তু এখন যেমন আমরা চাইবো কি ফার্স্ট রাউন্ডের পর আমরা লিগের টেবিলে টপই থাকি, কারণ চেন্নাই যদি আমাদের বিট করে চলে যায় তাহলে সেটা একটা আমাদের টিমের জন্য একটা আপসেট থাকবে। তো আমরা কোনোদিনই চাইবো না আমরা সেকেন্ডে থাকি, আমরা চেষ্টা করবো টেবিলে টপ র্যাঙ্কটা ধরে রাখার।